Today, we are going to draw Phantom Thief Kid. First, draw a circle on paper. Draw a cross in the circle. Draw a vertical line to connect the two sides. Draw the face. Draw the neck and shoulders again. Just draw it. Draw the iconic collar. Draw the hat on the head again. The starting line should be light. Finally, draw big eyes. Draw the eyes and ears here. It's almost time to draft. Take out the eraser and erase the draft lines. Here comes the point. Simple modification.
Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la.
Painting completed. Have you learned it? Subscribe, like, share and comment you want me to draw the next character.